Hey guys, welcome welcome back to my channel where the makeup and sass keeps you coming back for more. Today I have such an exciting video for you guys. I got my hands on the JackieAinaxArtistCouture collaboration. I got the whole bundle because I never got LaBronze before, and when her little sister LaPeach came out, I got it. I didn't order the pre-sale because I was broke, and then I ended up ordering it when it actually came out on Christmas Day, so that was really great, and it was still available, so I really appreciate that about them. But yeah, I'm just gonna take out my two little friends here and we're gonna start this review. So if you want to stay tuned to see what this is all about, keep watching. I have here LaPeach and this one is LaBronze. I really like the way that the packaging is. As I mentioned in my haul video, I really love rose gold as well, so I thought that that was such a beautiful color combination for Jackie to have done. I'm gonna go ahead and put both of these on my eyes as well as highlighting each of my cheek with them because I want to use them for all that they've got. Jackie did say you could use these as eyeshadows and all that stuff because they are loose highlighters, so we're gonna put them to the test today. This is going to be LaBronze. This is what she looks like here. I'm going to put her as soon as I figure out how these work. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and drop a little bit of LaBronze on this lid here. And then we're gonna put this on my eyes. I'm gonna do this without spraying my brush with any Fix Plus or anything, just so we can see, what the power of these are first. So I'm gonna go ahead, dip in there, put this on my lid. Okay, that was really a lot. All that I will say is I have a ton of fallout underneath my eye, which is really scary now because I don't know how to get rid of it. So with these, it's not that you need Fix Plus because they're not bright enough. You need Fix Plus so they don't fall on your face, or you should do your eyes before you put this on your face. So I'm just gonna go ahead, give my brush a bit of a spritz so I can do the other eye because I don't want to mess up my other under eye. But I definitely like the way they apply with the Fix Plus even more because it's more like opaque and it looks like an actual consistent shadow and isn't like shimmery and stuff like this one is. So I'm gonna fix this one as well. Just gonna use whatever left product I had on the end of this brush to clean up the corners. This looks stunning, guys. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. Wow, that's gorgeous. I'm gonna save whatever's left in here for our cheeks, and for the inner corner I'm going to put LaPeach in there since it's a little bit lighter, and I'm also gonna spray my brush for LaPeach. Guys, my inner corner is shining. Like a beacon. Wow. These are super bright, guys. Like, I'm shook. Like shook to my core. Let me go ahead and put on some lashes and mascara, and then we'll be back to do the cheeks. Okay guys, so we're back for the true test. I'm going to be doing LaPeach and LaBronze on my cheeks for a bit of glow. Now this year was the year that I really got into highlighters and stuff, because in 2016 I was like, no highlighters for me, just because I have such large pores and stuff, which you can't really see because the lights are just really drowning me out right now. But I'm gonna go ahead and use this really nice tapered fluffy brush. I know that Jackie uses one that's kind of similar, but this one is from Morphe. I don't know where hers is from. And I'm going to use this to go in lightly and apply LaPeach. Because of the intensity of it before, I'd rather build than, you know, go too crazy. Just going to go ahead and slightly pick up a little bit on my brush. Tap off the excess and let's see. I don't know if you guys can see, but that's super, super blinding. Let's do the other cheek really quickly. I went in too hard. But can you guys see that though? Okay, Jackie and Artist Couture, not playing games with nobody. I'm gonna go ahead and take LaPeach, LaBronze's little sister and lighter sister, and just add that to the middle of it, just for a little bit of dimension, nothing too much. And then I'm gonna add this to my Cupid's bow. See how much that like just really adds to it? Wow, I literally just went like overdose on highlighter, which I don't normally, but this is just so nice. Let me do my Cupid's bow. Tell me that's not gorgeous. So beautiful. I'm obsessed. Oh my god. Let me put on my lipstick and then come back and give you guys my final thoughts on this JackieAinaxArtistCouture collaboration. Alrighty guys, I got my whole face done. You know, I fixed my hair. But anyways, let's move on to the star of the show, which is obviously this collaboration here, guys. I must say I really enjoyed it. I mean, I wasn't expecting it to be bad because I didn't think, you know, Jackie was gonna, you know, give us anything bad. And Artist Couture is definitely known for their loose highlighters being really blinding. I remember when they first came out how everybody was talking about them and all that stuff. So I'm really glad that I got my hands on these two products. I'm really glad that they made enough for it to be available for everyone and that it wasn't like, oh, sold out and all of this stuff. So I really appreciated that. I love these. I love it as an eyeshadow. I just think it's beautiful and there's so many uses for it. I could even see you putting a little bit like on the center of your lip for like a little bit, you know, of a glow, like glitter lips or something. There's just so many ways you could use this. But so yeah, that just wraps it all up. If you haven't gotten your hands on these highlighters, girl, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and order these and be assured that they are great. So without further ado, that is it. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to do so and check out any of my other videos. And also let me know if you got these highlighters or not, and if you think they're popping or not. It's okay if you don't, but please tell me if you know, do or don't. See you guys next time. Thank you for watching.